well, it's been a while. This is Ryan from the Street Diorama, and today I'm going to show you this street diorama that I just completed this week. So this diorama has the dimensions of 19 inches wide by 13 inches deep by 15 inches height. So this diorama is also made wholly with XPS foam and painted using acrylic paint and airbrush paints, which is the usual paints that I use on my dioramas. So basically this is another version of the street diorama that I made for Red Lady online store. So this is just an upgrade of that diorama. As you can see, this diorama has a lot of call this what box crates that are made out of Sintra boards. So let's I'll try to remove first the accessories, and then let's discuss the whole specification of this diorama. So this is how it looks like without the accessories. As you can see, both walls are magnetized to the base and each other as my usual diorama design. And also those rolling doors right here are removable, so it depends on how you want to, or how the client want to play with his typography shots. If you want to pull out those rolling doors, or you just wanted to fix it or stay it there, it's up to him. And also incorporate some of my AC handmade ACs right there. So these ACs are made out of Sintra board, and the mesh that are incorporated on these ACs are just plastic mesh. Gutter mesh, and I just painted them out. So for this diorama, I use different material on my window frame. So I think I shared that as well in my Facebook page, that I use a aquatic divider material, in which this one comes in white. So maybe next time I'll buy a divider that is already comes in black, because since it comes in white, I need to paint it with black, and it consumes a lot of paint via airbrush. Okay, so next accessory that we got here is this electrical fuse boxes that I installed on three of the establishments that we have here on this diorama. So this these pipes right here, color red pipes, are made out of straws, and the detail that you see in these pipes, this one, that divides the pipe, are just masking tape. So hobby masking tapes. One second, let me show that real quick to you. This one. So I just run them up on my thin straws, to make this details that you can see right there. Okay, and then what else? So this door is also modular. So later, before I ship the diorama, I'll install my dollhouse hinges on the back of this door, so that you could open, close it as per design. And then what else? The floor. Let's discuss the base. So the base also made out of XPS foam. This is my 3D printed manhole lid. So the detail, the paint detail that you can see in this diorama are made using airbrush paint. So the weathering that you can see on these paints are all airbrush. And also I got this sticker papers, vinyl matte sticker papers, and I print out this posters of Deadpool, Captain America, and Iron Man. Same material that I use on my store signs. So I just basically search for some store signs in New York, and kinda made my own, or copy those signs, those sign designs in Photoshop. Because if you download those photos in the internet and just print it out, they'll just come out pixelated, since the size of the photos in the internet is just too small to get print. So what else? I think so there's not so much to discuss on this diorama, because this has already been as I said a while ago, this has been an upgrade of the previous street diorama that I have. So no other features is included or gimmicks in this diorama, aside from the accessories that we have. So we have here your metal fence, just made out of straw and metal gutter mesh. So actually thinking of a design of a metal fence that will not include any material underneath. So because the original metal fence that I usually made are having this XPS base on the bottom, so I kinda think of a metal fence that can be assembled without those base, since I think I'm having some issues with that design. So I searched the Google and find this kind of metal fence design. So basically you can bend this, so it can stand alone as long as you make an angle out of it. So we could use it like that, or use it like this. It really depends on the client on how he will use these accessories. And also I got here 5 pieces of wooden crates, which are made out of Sintra boards. So these are the accessories that are included in this diorama. So you have there your wooden crates. Let me adjust the camera real quick. Okay. So you have here your wooden crates, and also your wooden palette, which are made out of popsicle sticks. Right, and I just wash it with brown and kind of weather it with brown acrylic. So this is planned to be delivered after Holy Week, so I already have shared this with the client, and I think he's happy with the design, and I'm also happy with how this design comes out. So if you guys have any questions or any suggestions on my channel or on my Facebook page, you can message me in those platforms. I also have Instagram, the District Diorama PH, so you could reach out to me if you ever have any questions or queries. Okay, so thank you. I'll be seeing you next time. Bye bye.